was only cheap, £1.99. And if we look at the parts for this, I think you'll find they're very similar to another model. Okay, that's it. Okay, now this one, on the stickers, says Sky Flyer. I think it looks very much like a Sky Touch 2. Now, plastic parts, to me, look the same. Okay, don't know about the instructions. I've not seen any instructions for the Sky Touch 2, but you guys should be able to tell me. What I will do is measure the parts I have, and you should be able to cross-reference that with the parts you've got. So width is 56 millimeters and the length is just under 9 centimeters for that. Okay, what else can we measure? The stick. Okay, let's have a look. Just over 35 centimeters for the length of the stick. The foam parts that are in the pack, I can measure those. Now the stickers that are there to touch with it, again the width is 75 millimeters by 120 millimeters, so that'd be a good reference point for you. Now, one thing to note is the tail plane and the rudder is made of very, very thin Depron foam. It will be too flimsy for radio control. So what I'm going to do is cover them with packing tape, and that'll stiffen those up. Okay. The main wings, they're plenty fine, thick enough. But instead of using this adhesive tape that it comes supplied with to stick it together, we'll be using glue. The glue I will be using is a contact adhesive like this, and we'll only need a small amount of that. Now I'll just show you the options for the radio control equipment that I'll be using to control it. Will be nano control. Now you could use radio equipment like this that you may have pulled out of a aeroplane already. Now I've weighed that. Okay, without a propeller, what you've got there equals 21 grams. The radio equipment I'm going to be using will be a nano receiver, because I've used these before. I'm happy with these. This is what I've got with my transmitter, and it's a FrySky VD5M. Okay, I'm going to be using nano servos, 2 of those. Okay, I'm going to be using a 1S brushless motor. Okay, a 1S speed controller, and a 1S 300 milliamp battery. All those parts weighed together comes to 24 grams, so there's only 3 grams difference, but I've got a lot better motor. Okay, now that obviously that is, I've not took into account the weight of the propeller, but I haven't on the other one either. Okay,